What's up, guys? Welcome to your first online class. Today we are doing science in 5 minutes or less. All right, today's topic is going to be easier. We're going to cover topic number 1, conservation of mass, which is where we kind of left off last time. Okay, before you watch this, you should have already watched this video. This girl trying to eat a 2-pound burrito and not being able to complete it. It was awesome. It made me laugh. All right, now she tried to eat this 2-pound burrito, and the question really was, if you eat a 2-pound burrito, would you gain 2 pounds? And I recommend you try that. Ask your mom and dad, be like, Mom, Dad, would you actually gain 2 pounds? And watch the hilarious answers and logic they'll come up with. Okay, now in the video, I think she ate 1.4 to 1.6 pounds, and then at the very end, you saw that she actually did gain that 1.4 to 1.6 pounds, right? And that's really simple, right? What you gain is what you're gonna gain, okay? We also call this just the law of conservation of mass, okay? What that says is, that says if mass is neither created or destroyed in ordinary chemical and physical changes, right, what you must start and end with is the same amount. So whatever you start with is exactly what you're going to end with. So let's start with a simple case, right? If we take wood and we light it on fire, are we going to end up with the same amount of mass in the beginning as the end? And remember, right, you might actually be thinking, okay, no, because the wood's going to burn, it's going to get small, it's going to turn to ash, and you're going to have all the smoke rise up, and then we're going to not have the same amount. And for that, you're absolutely right. But we have to consider it as a closed system, right? So let's take a little more complicated example. Let's say we have coal. We're doing the same exact thing. We're burning it, right? But this time we kind of put a capsule on top. So it's closed. It can't get out. Any smoke that's in there, it's going to stay in there, right? And if we do that experiment, what we notice is if we start off with 100 grams of coal and we burn it, including the smoke and the ash that comes afterward at the end, what you notice is that you'd also have exactly 100 grams, right? So that is basically what the law of conservation of mass says. If you start off with 100, you're going to end up with 100 grams, okay? If we're taking a slightly more different approach, like a more complicated approach, we're going to start looking at reactions pretty soon. So all you got to know about this is what's on the left side, we call that a reactant. It's what's reacting. What's on the right side, we call that a product. It's what's getting produced. In this case, what's getting produced is water. We have hydrogen, which is a gas, plus oxygen, which is also a gas. We mix that, and all of a sudden, we have water. And that's exactly how water gets made. Pretty simple. So the only thing you have to know after you're done with this video is you're going to have some example problems to go with, and I'll go through the first one with you, right? And again, it's just what you end up with is what you begin with is what you end up with. So let's solve this one together, all right? We have lithium plus oxygen forms lithium oxide. Don't worry about that, but you're going to enter a number here. So really all you have to know is if I, at the very end, have 24, sorry for my handwriting, 24.6, at the end, I know that this total would be 24.6 as well. And I gave you that oxygen is 5.702 grams, right? Lithium, I didn't tell you, and that's what you're trying to figure out, that blank. Well, if this is 5.7 plus what gives me 24.6. So all you got to do is simple subtraction. 24.6 minus 5.7 is going to give you, both in grams, is going to give you, I just did in a calculator, you do in a calculator as well, that's going to give you 18.9 grams. I'll just put this here to reiterate. So again, what you begin with, your 18.9 grams, your lithium, Li, plus your oxygen is going to be what you end up with, which is your lithium oxide, 24.6, 24.6. And that's basically it. Okay, so go to the next module.